If you truly want to improve your trading psychology, all you need to do is one thing, and that is accepting the risk before every trade you take. For me, before I take any trade, I envision myself taking a loss. That way, if I end up taking that loss, I know exactly what my next steps are. A lot of you guys will get into a trade thinking that it will definitely hit your take profit. But once you hit your stop loss, then you start making stupid decisions. Whereas for me, it's already planned out and I know what my next steps are. So if you want to improve your trading psychology, just accept the risk and understand that it could potentially be a losing trade. And that is how I survived a month losing streak, because I understood that Forex is not a hit and run business. You have to face your fear and learn how to take a loss without fear. And you can also learn more in this book right here. Now, let's look at my last week trade, where market gave us times 3 profit of our risk. And here from the beginning, how I analyzed the chart, I started from daily time frame, and from daily time frame I mapped out my important zone, which is the low of the previous day and the high of previous day. So I started with daily time frame, then I moved down to 30 minutes time frame. So this 30 minutes time frame, and this my trend line is still active. So I waited at this high for my entry. I used the field retracement to measure the market, and as you can see, the 0.5. So I'm waiting at this 0.5 for my signal to go long. So but if you keep on pushing down, break this trend line, that means market will keep on dropping. But for now, I'm just looking for buy opportunity, and that is what I'm waiting for. And I'm planning to take my TP at my next level, and today is May 9. And as you can see, it moved straight up to my TP and it's still pushing up. And if you watch my previous video, you know that in previous weeks I lost like how many trades when market was stretching out my position. But that is Forex for you. You have to know what you are doing, what you are in for, and take the risk, and know when you need to leave the market and when you need to take your trade. Just plan and learn a strategy and work with your strategy, and with time you'll be profitable. So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate for watching. Thank you.
Thank you.